guys, this is Mangalam from SlideUpLift. In this less than a minute video, we'll give you a very simple hack of changing any shape to another shape in less than a second in your presentation. So why this hack? Because a lot of times we spend building our slide with a specific shape to show our content. But later on we might realize that another shape would have shown our content better. Now you can do that. You can change circle to square or triangle or any other shape in less than a second and see if your content fits better there. So how it works is very simple. You select the shape you want to change, then go to Format Shape. In Format Shape, go to Edit Shape and choose Change Shape. If you found this hack useful and you want to know more of such hacks, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to SlideUpLift.